Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very important video for two reasons. First one is I update you guys on why I've been missing for literally almost a month. And the second one is because I use a lot of COVERGIRL products. Like I mentioned in my previous video, I got PR packages from them, and so this video I'm going to be using a lot of the products that I got in those PR packages. I don't want to make this intro too long just because in the video I do talk a lot, well not a lot, but you guys know me, I go on and on. But I do mention why I've been missing. Please be sure to check out the description box because I always mention things that I may have forgotten in the video. As always, my social media links are always down below for you guys. Be sure to follow me on there. I always update you guys on there. So if you don't follow me on social media, then everything I'm about to mention in this video is probably going to be so brand new to you. But if you guys follow me on social media, then you guys already know what's going on. I just want to come on here and say hi. I've missed you guys. I'm so happy to be back. I feel like I always say that every single time I go missing, and I've been gone. I've been going missing quite a bit lately, and I do apologize about that. But you guys, I'm finally like in this routine of mine where I finally have free time. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. Today's video is going to be on this look right here that I created. It is just a summertime glam glow look that is very suitable for the heat / humidity because y'all, it is hot here in Japan. It's humid. I have to say, I feel like I have something else to mention, but I don't know. If I do, it'll be at the I don't know how to talk to you guys anymore. It will be at the end of the video. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look using all COVERGIRL products, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna hop right on in. For the most part, a lot of these products are products that I got in PR from COVERGIRL. This is my 4th time filming this video, so we're gonna see how it goes. So when I first filmed it, it was more of like a first impressions of all the products. But like I said, it's my 4th time filming it, so I can't really be a first impression. So I'm just gonna share with you guys my thoughts on all the products. Not all of it is from COVERGIRL, but majority of it is from COVERGIRL and Pixie. The first product isn't even from either company, but I'm gonna start with the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. First and foremost, if my brows are bothering you, have no fear. They are bothering me too, but I have an appointment tomorrow, so it's fine. We're gonna get our lives together. It's totally fine. Let me apply my EOS balm. I'm going to start off with primer. I'm going to be using these two today, the same two that I used in my previous video where I reviewed the Trublend foundation. I'm going to be using the Pore Minimizing Primer, the purple one, as well as the Color Neutralizing Primer, the green one. So far, I've been using these primers for about 3 weeks now, I want to say, and I really enjoy them. They get the job done, which is great. If you guys don't want to pay for the Smashbox one, I highly recommend getting this guy right here. Now I'm just going to take the green one and just tap it all over the red. Okay, so I'm not sure if I mentioned this in my previous video, but this is the COVERGIRL Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. I should have applied it with a brush, but it's alright. It smells like a tanning lotion. Next, I'm going to be taking the COVERGIRL Trublend Pre-Touching Palette. It's just color correcting pretty much. Okay, as I'm showing you this product, I realize I haven't even began talking about what's been going on. So, if I miss a product, it will be listed down below for you guys. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this is my 4th time filming the video, and that reason is because I will film a video and then I will go import the footage on my MacBook Pro, and all of my clips, I'm not even kidding you, all of my clips are black. And then all of the footage wouldn't even fully import, if that makes any sense. Like it'll stop halfway and then say like something incomplete because yada yada yada. And then, so I edit on iMovie. So I don't know if, like, for those of you who have iMovie, like there's like a little movie icon at the beginning of a clip, of a new clip. And that says like, whenever I hover over it, it says like, oh, to re-import, do this, this, this. But there's like one of those steps I don't have on my laptop. Does that make any sense? I don't know, but it's so frustrating. So that's why I've been missing. It's just because every time I import my footage, it doesn't go. And that right there actually really put me in a, like, of course, frustrated mood, but also like a downer, you know what I mean? Like, I was like, oh my gosh, like what is going on? Like, and all of those videos that I filmed, I love, especially this time, the first time I filmed it. I love the way it came out. I didn't want to refilm it, but of course I had to, and then whatever. It's just so frustrating when everything goes well, because for those of you who do have YouTube channels that watch this, or if you film for Instagram or whatever, not everything goes the way you plan it most of the time. Some of the time, whatever. But some of the time, like, things go wrong and whatever, to where you actually do have to refilm it. For instance, like what I just said. But all 3 times I have previously recorded this video, everything went smoothly and perfectly. Don't mind my hair, guys. But anyways, yeah, it was just so frustrating. So that's mainly why I have been missing, like, stuff like that. Like, I know I shouldn't let get to me, but it does. Trust me, it's like, it's something that I'm working on, but it just does. I'm gonna do something that I've never done before, but I have seen happen. I love watching Jackie Aina, and she does it, so I'm gonna try it out here. This is not CoverGirl. This is actually the Maybelline Fit Me powder. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. I'm actually gonna set my primer. I'm gonna set everything that I had just applied on my face before my foundation. I saw that little trend going around, this thing where here when I'm about to do, you know, set my foundation or whatever. But I like swore to myself I was never gonna do it. I was like, no, like, we're not doing that. We're cool. But like I said, I don't know. I think I want to see what the hype is about. This is actually the shade medium, so I don't know. But like I said, we're gonna see how it goes. I wonder how this is gonna work with the foundation that I'm about to use, because I absolutely love the foundation. It's all I've been wearing actually whenever I do wear makeup, and it is hot. Ooh, it is hot here in Japan, y'all. It is humid. So now I'm actually going to be taking the CoverGirl True Blend Foundation. This is in T20 Soft Honey. Since my last video, I have had makeup clients, and this is the only foundation I've been using on them, and they really love it. Like I said, if you have not seen my first impressions on this video, I will link it down below for you guys to check out. But love the foundation overall. It hasn't given me any problems. Like I said, this is all I've been wearing in the humidity, and it's doing fine. I only wear 1 layer though. I don't wear 2 layers or anything above that. But so now I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl concealers. Love these concealers. They are the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealers. I'm sorry I don't know the colors. If I find them, I will link them down below. But I threw away the paper that that the package came with, excuse me. But this is it. I just took the lid off, and literally you just twist it and the product comes out. It reminds me of the MAC Prep and Prime. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna dot it right under my eyes. This is the darker color. I take 2, and then I'll also go over my acne just a little bit, not, you know, not crazy. I'm gonna blend everything out with the beauty sponge. Anyway, so if you guys are looking for good drugstore products, I actually recommend this whole CoverGirl line. I'm pretty sure all of this is in stores. I don't know if it's the True Blend line or the Vitalist line, but when you guys go to the drugstore or whatever, you guys will see. I highly recommend this line. I really love it. I think it's great, and I'm not just saying that because I got all of this in PR. After wearing it, especially in the humidity, I really like it. And actually, if I don't wear the foundation, I'll just wear the concealer with the powder that I'm about to show you guys, and I love it. Also, I want to say, for any moment I have gone out of focus, I'm so sorry. Every time I look at my screen, I look like I'm in focus, but I do know sometimes I'll go out of focus, so I apologize if I do. I promise it gets better, I promise. So now I'm actually gonna take one of the darker foundations just to cream contour. So like I said, I'm just gonna put that in the back of my hand. I'm gonna be taking my Sigma 3D HD Precision brush, and I'm just gonna come right here and cream contour. I look a hot ass mess, and I truly apologize. I promise I care about myself. I promise I do. The powder that I mentioned to you guys earlier is this guy right here. It's the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder. This is the shade Buff Beige. I love this powder, you guys. It reminds me a lot of my MAC Studio Fix. Love it. I'm gonna be taking this guy right here from Makeup Geek. It is one of their contour powders. I'm gonna be taking an oldie but a goodie, the NYX, what do you call it? Powder Blush in Dusty Rose. I'm just gonna smile a bit, apply that right above my contour. Anyways, yeah, I don't think there's anything else I have to update you guys on. I just really wanted to sit here and let you guys know, like, I didn't just like give up on filming. Actually, I feel like I kind of did just because I stopped. But the reason was because I was just so frustrated. Like, come on, what the fuck are you doing? But it's fine. After this, I'm gonna go import it, and fingers crossed, literally, guys. If you guys see this, let's just thank God right now, because like without him, none of that would be possible. Am I right? Because literally my laptop hates me. I got 2 of these highlight duos from Pixie, as well as some eyeshadow like shimmers, which are so pretty. I can't wait to use those. I'll actually be using them in the next video, if this one even gets up. So this one is in Deluxe. That was cute. Delicate Dew, and this one is in Subtle Sunrise. I I like delicate dew more than subtle sunrise, but so you know, sometimes I would actually just mix all of them. So I'm actually gonna go in and set my face first really quick. This is the CoverGirl Look Lock Up Setting Spray. Love it. I totally missed you guys, like I always do. If you guys follow me on social media, first of all, thank you. Second of all, if you don't, you totally should, because I always update you guys on there. Always. I let you guys know what's going on. I let you guys know yada yada yada. As far as videos, I always do polls on Instagram and stuff like that. Yeah, all of my social media stuff is always down below for you guys. Definitely be sure to check me out. Give me a follow. Let's be friends. I'm pretty sure I was just out of focus, and if I was, I'm so sorry. Life is just beating me up right now, guys. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little talk. I just wanted to mention, just because in the video I kind of cut the clips pretty short, but I did want to talk about the liquid lips really quickly, literally really quickly. This is the CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade liquid lipsticks. Literally, you guys, these are heaven. They are so soft, so creamy. Even though they are liquid lip, they're not dry, and I love it. This is the shade I've mainly been wearing all summer. What is that? What's your name? Cakewalk. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.